Hello all and welcome to today's video, where I'll be going through the installation process of the Olixar film screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy A12. Once the protector has been applied, I'll be giving my honest opinion on whether I think this is the right fit for the Samsung Galaxy A12. Film tends to be slightly fiddly to apply, however by following the steps that I'll be showing today, you'll be able to have a bubble-free installation. If you choose this form of screen protection, you don't just get one protector but two within the pack, which is incredibly handy for if in the event one was to begin to wear over time, you'll be able to provide immediate protection to your handset. As always, I would recommend turning off your device before starting. This is just so the display doesn't keep activating during the process. All of the tools that we need to apply the film to the screen will come with the protector. The tools consist of a wet wipe, microfiber cloth, dust removal sticker, guide stickers, and of course the protectors themselves. To start with, we are going to want to clean the screen of the phone. To do so, take the wet wipe and remove any dirt from off the display. Then use a microfiber cloth to wipe off any excess liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. Once the screen is completely dry, use the dust removal sticker to dab it across the screen to lift off any dust. We can now turn our attention to applying the film. Place a guide sticker at both the top and the bottom of the protector. Peel back the tab that is labelled 1. Hold the protector adhesive side down when doing so, as it will reduce the possibility of dust becoming attracted to the protector during these steps. Now carefully lower the film onto the display. Use the guide stickers to help you. When you are happy with the position of the film, use the application card to run the film from the centre out towards the edges. If there are any bubbles left after the film has been fitted, push them out using the application card. It is now time to remove label 2. Lift the tab carefully to ensure that the film doesn't lift along with it. Use the application card to hold down the film whilst doing so. To complete the process, simply wipe over the display using the microfiber cloth to secure the film's position. The screen is now protected by Olixar's film screen protector. As expected, the film is ultra thin and provides almost invisible screen coverage. It's been made perfectly to fit the display of the Samsung Galaxy A12. Therefore, you can attach any case of your choice to offer your handset 360 protection. This is the ideal choice for if you are looking for something to safeguard your handset screen from everyday contact. However, if you are looking for something a bit more robust, then I would recommend purchasing a glass protector instead, though this is the ideal choice to defend your handset from the scuffs and scrapes of everyday use. The visuals of your handset aren't in any way affected by the film, allowing for you to continue watching content from your phone without any issues. I feel no friction when scrolling through the phone because of the film being so smooth. It also doesn't affect the response rate, allowing for you to text as like before the film was fitted. Overall, this is the ideal everyday choice of screen protection that is easy to apply to your handset. If you wish to purchase the Olixar film screen protector, check out the link in the description and comments below. For more content regarding smartphone accessories and tech, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.